shimbynta ban kentiu ki kami la kai handball kam taman wan ra gi jing ki thau bat ban penetli samla pulia jong ki Skulbah hak than stelam mi hakish putre gurampang arhajar arpun rio ka Skulbah University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM la play perda ya kai AIU East Zone Inter University Handball Tournament ha ka sports center jong ki Skulbah USTM ya kini kelumpung kai handball jong Skulbah la penlong ru lengbag Association of Indian University East Zone ha kabasan pot lig Skulbah nakaleng jela kathan stilam mingi kilawan bani shimbynta balapya ha ki nyup santli ki kenhon ha kesengi bala sedang ya kini kelumpung kai la saki gje kon hapdeng ka Berhampur University Odisha bat ka Benares Hindu University la play perdai kini kelumpung kai do ba wailat Miki Shila Menteri Ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs ke Jela Meghalaya Komukongsan ha gajing sakilang ru do MDC ka KHDC uba Matthew Makdo urang kai bapau na Asam una Ryan Bhuyan uba Bobby L Nongbet uba de District Sports Officer ke District Ribhoi lembat kiwi yakaliang ba wailat Miki Shila ha bakadane kini kesngi ula ai gajing ro Skulbah USTM kebala pediang ban penlong ya kini kelumpung kai jong Skulbah kathan stelam ni kum kawai kerensan ban kentiu ya kini kejing kai uba wailat Miki Shila ulong ba kamel kai sport kam dai tang kerensan jong ka jing kamai jakpo ndai gadai ru kerensan jong ka kakya bat ulakit bokit riang ya baro bagi nilai bah kini kelumpung kai Litu ru bagi sorkar Jela Meghalaya mentakalarai ban aikam sorkar klaim kanu ka kendon ya kinu kirang ni kita kai ke bekur tak kemai ke rensan kai sport national level kum tahu la aiman siam ki samlai kai ke Jela bagian trishtam ber IT met ban siam hak kamel kai sport
I think I'm very thankful to the All India University for giving us this opportunity to host this very important event here in USTM. And at the same time, I'm very thankful to our Vice Chancellor for accepting it. And as you can see, the arrangement is very beautiful arrangement. And I'm confident that this kind of opportunity will open a platform for our young athletes who really have the potential to showcase their talent. And definitely it will help them to grow as not only in academic but also in sports.